Hello, grade 3, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Throughout this week, you have learned how to multiply by 10 and how to find the multiples of 10. Today, you are going to learn how to divide by 10. Let's start with the first example in your book, page number 345. Juice bars come 10 in a box. The third grade class needs 50 juice bars for a party trade. How many boxes will they need? We need to find 50 divided by 10. One way to find how many boxes are needed is to use repeated subtraction. Beginning at 50, subtract groups of 10 until you reach 0. How many times did we subtract 10? Count the number of groups. We subtracted groups of 10 5 times. So 50 divided by 10 equals 5. Another way to find the number of boxes that will be needed is to use a related fact. We know that 10 times 5 is equal to 50. So 50 divided by 10 equals 5. So the third grade class will need 5 boxes of juice bars. Now, please grade 3, fill these blanks with the correct answers. Page number 345. Let's solve another example. Example number 2, page number 346. A quarterback threw the football for a total of 70 yards. Each time he threw the ball, the team gained 10 yards. How many throws did the quarterback make? Write a division sentence with a symbol for the unknown. Find 70 divided by 10 equals what? You know that 10 multiplies 7 equals 70. So the unknown factor is 7. Since division and multiplication are inverse operations, so 70 divided by 10 equals 7. So the unknown is 7. The quarterback made 7 throws. Look back to the division sentence. 70 divided by 10 equals 7. Note that the dividend is 70 and the quotient is 7 when the divisor is 10. So when we divide by 10, we just have to remove 0 from the dividend. So 70 divided by 10 equals 7. Let's solve question number 1. Use repeated subtraction to divide. 90 divided by 10 equals what? Using the number line, we can use the repeated subtraction. Beginning at 10 and subtract 10 times to reach 0. So 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and 0. We subtracted groups of 10 9 times. So 90 divided by 10 equals 9. Or simply, we can remove the 0 from the dividend and we get 9. Question number 2, 40 divided by 10 equals what? Again, we can remove the 0 from the dividend and the answer is simply 4. Or we can use the number line with repeated subtraction. Question number 3, 60 divided by 10 equals, remove the 0, you will left with 6. So 60 divided by 10 equals 6. Or we can use repeated subtraction. Beginning at 60 and subtract 10s many times until you reach 0. Count how many times you subtract groups of 10 until you reach 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 times. The same answer. Now it's your turn, grade 3. So please try to solve these questions by yourself, and then when you finish, you can check your answers here. Question number 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Let's see the next page. We have more problems. Problem number 14. Ken wants to divide 40 flowers equally into 10 phases. How many flowers go in each vase? What do you think, grade 3? How can we find that? Yes, it's 40 divided by 10. Remove the 0 from the dividend and you will left with 4. So 40 divided by 10 equals to 4. Now it's your turn in grade 3, so try to solve these questions by yourself, and then when you finish, you can check your answers here. And here you can check your answers for your homework. This is for page number 349 and page number 350. Let's practice page number 351 and page number 352. The same for the next page for review. Page number 354 and finally page number 355. It's the end of grade 3. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.